Let me show you how to save thousands of dollars and extend the life of your existing water heater. After you have a brand new water heater installed, you have about 6 years on the warranty. What gives it the warranty is one of these. One of these is what's called a sacrificial anode. It's either going to be made out of aluminum, zinc, or it's magnesium. In this case, it's magnesium. So I'm going to replace the sacrificial anode here, which will extend the life of this water heater another 5 to 6 years, which is pretty awesome. So rather than have to pay thousands of dollars every couple of years, every 6 years, this will extend it. You might get 10, you might get 12. I've seen some people get 18 years out of it. So what this iron anode does is it actually prevents the rust from eating the tank away, which makes the water heater last longer. So I'm going to replace this anode, and then this customer is going to get more life, and he won't have to replace this water heater prematurely. Pretty cool, right? Let me show you what our sacrificial anode looks like. As a result of it giving up its life, it's saving the life of the tank right now. It's extending the life of the tank. As you can see, all the rust and accumulation that it's absorbed rather than let the tank rust and die. So it's doing its job. It's done its job. And now we're going to put a brand new one in, and it's going to do its job to protect and save the life of this tank. So that's what happens. It dies and prevents this from dying. All right, now I just slipped a new one in. It's a lot easier than the old one because it's flexible on purpose so that we can get all the way down into the bottom of the tank without hitting the ceiling. So now we have a completed job. That'll last at least another 6 years. So 6 years from now, if we can still extend the life of this tank, saves them another few $1,000s. That's a good deal.